Good morning, Rising Rams. Happy Monday. I hope you're doing awesome and had a great weekend. I am excited to begin week 4 of our online learning. And this week we're going to try some new things. So pay attention and listen closely. First up, I want to walk us through our Google Classroom. Lots of things were posted today. I hope you had a chance to check out the video that Miss Mallory posted on Class Dojo this morning. I also posted it right here. It's a bunch of teachers from school telling us what we miss most about you guys. So take a look at that. Then I posted our quizzes for today. Every day at 12 o'clock, I will post a code. All you have to do is go to joinmyquiz.com and enter that code. And it's going to be live for most of the day. So even if you're doing this at like 4 o'clock or 6 o'clock later today, no worries. It's still live. So let's check in and see how we're doing. Arion is in the lead. Looks like Jesse's in second place and Justin is in third. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. It's all about author's purpose. So if you're having trouble with author's purpose, watch this YouTube right here. It'll help you figure out author's purpose. Persuade, inform, entertain. Next up, Miss Jordan joined our Google Classroom and she wants to hear from you guys too. So she wants you to tell us what's meaningful. And you can show us or tell us. So watch this video and show or tell us something in your home that has a special meaning to you, like a stuffed animal, a toy, a photo, or a family game. So I'll show you right now one thing that's meaningful to me. Here's Walter. He's looking out the window. He's extra sleepy. He's my buddy. So show us something that's meaningful to you. And then super, super important, the directions for the week. This is your checklist. Read me, read me, read me. So click on this and you will see everything that you need to do today. So for reading, this is something new, so pay close attention, is a reader's choice. You can choose a book on Epic or Raz, and then you complete 2 questions. I'll talk more about that in a little bit. Then quizzes every day at noon. Watch for the link on Google Classroom. CNN 10 question. You guys have been doing an awesome job with that. Keep it up. And Quill, you should be doing 1 assignment every day. So this week, we are finishing up capitalization. If you did 5 assignments this week, you need to do 6 this week. Because there's a total of 11 assignments for Quill capitalization for you to complete. Okay, so let's hop on over to our Google Classroom. Click on classwork. Here is week of April 13th. Miss Jordan's Meaningful Monday, your Quill capitalization. Click Turn In when you finished all 11 assignments. And then here's the new thing, Reader's Choice for Monday. So click on this and then click View Question. And there's a lot of steps, so listen closely. Number 1, choose a book from either Raz or Epic. If you're using Epic, don't forget the class code, WCG2273. After you read the book, take the quiz, and then you're going to choose one of the reading response questions and answer it. Make sure if the book is fiction, choose a fiction question. And if your book is nonfiction, choose a nonfiction question. You might be thinking, Miss Blankenship, where in the world are these questions? Look right here down below. Here are the questions. So click on this, and you will see a list of fiction questions and a list of nonfiction questions. So you get to pick which question you want to answer. And it's loading. There we go. So which character do you like most in the book? Why? What do you predict will happen next in the story? What is the main problem of the story? Over here on the fiction or nonfiction side, what is the selection of the reading mainly about? What did you learn while reading? So pick one of these questions and then answer it in Google Classroom. After you did that, number 3 is tell us if you would recommend or not recommend the book. I've also opened up this assignment so you can read everybody's responses. So check to see what your friends are reading, and then tomorrow maybe you can choose that book too. And you can respond to each other and tell us, hey, I read this book before, I also liked this part. Or, oh my gosh, I think that's really interesting, I want to read that too. So read other people's book choices and respond to them as well. Here is an example of what I expect. So I gave the title of my book, which I found on Epic, Titanic. Number 1, what did you learn while reading? That's the question I picked out. And I said I learned that the ship used 800 tons of coal to power the ship. I wonder how the ship would be powered today. I also learned that some people paid $99,000, which is in today's money, to travel on the ship. So that's part 2 that I just finished. Now the second part is, would I recommend the book? And I said I would recommend this book because I think learning about the Titanic disaster is fascinating. They thought the ship was unsinkable, but the iceberg destroyed the ship. I also like the books because the diagrams were interesting. So that is all you need to do, and then click turn in. I hope you enjoyed this assignment. I wanted to give a little bit more freedom so that I wasn't always the one picking out the book, but you get to pick out a book to read each and every single day this week. I will also be announcing the winners of the RAS race later today. Keep it up. We might try a new competition this week. We will find out because I want to give credit for those who are reading on Epic as well. So stay tuned for more details. Don't forget, we are also doing our virtual hangout on Wednesday at 12:30. And I really look forward to seeing you all. I miss you all. I hope you have an awesome day. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns, or comments. I'm here for you. Walter says bye. Say bye, Walter. I guess he's not very talkative. Bye.